Hi everyone, my name is Maxim Stroganov. This is the beginning of the presentation on Bluetooth, and I would like to start with the definition and the overview of Bluetooth, as well as its relevance to engineering design. Bluetooth is an open wireless technology standard for transmitting fixed and mobile electronic device data over short distances. It was first introduced in 1994 as a wireless substitute for RS-232 cables. The maximum Bluetooth range is 10 meters. A frequency hop scheme of Bluetooth allows devices to communicate even in areas with a great deal of electromagnetic interference. Bluetooth technology is a short-range wireless communication technology that replaces the cables that connect electronic devices, allowing a person to talk on the phone through a headset, use a wireless mouse, and synchronize information from a mobile phone to a PC using the same core system. A variety of digital devices use Bluetooth, including MP3 players, mobile and peripheral devices, and personal computers. The Bluetooth RF transceiver or physical layer operates in the unlicensed ISM band centered at 2.4 GHz. It is the same range of frequencies used by microwaves and Wi-Fi. The core system of Bluetooth employs a frequency hopping transceiver to combat interference and fading. Bluetooth is used in many ways, such as wireless control and communication between mobile and hands-free headset, wireless networking between multiple computers in areas with limited service. It is also used to replace conventional wired communication, like GPS receivers, medical equipment, traffic control devices, and barcode scanners. Bluetooth is critical for engineering design. Many engineers work with electrical connections in order to set up networks of computers or to arrange for different parts of a system to communicate with each other. Bluetooth offers optimal features to satisfy industrial requirements of robustness, reliability, and seamless coexistent operation with wireless LAN networks. It is used for human-machine interfaces, programming, service or maintenance, and real-time control tasks in various industrial environments, such as automotive manufacturing, energy plants, and warehouses. Bluetooth Low Energy is increasingly used in metering, sensors, actuators, and other small devices that need to be interconnected. In addition to lower power consumption, Bluetooth allows for multiple wireless links, offers fast connections, and has easier configuration and setup than many other wireless technologies.
Hi, my name is Adasia Francis, and I'm going to be talking about applications of Bluetooth. Bluetooth applications are issued to transfer data between different devices. Some of the applications that use the Bluetooth functionality are laptops, wireless PCs, phones, music players, and radios, printers, headphones, keyboards, mouses, and webcams. Short term transmission of data from sensor devices to sensor nodes like mobile phones and robots.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafael Valente, and in this presentation I will discuss the challenges and opportunities for Bluetooth. Many users of Bluetooth see this device as a simple feature to products. There are many challenges that engineers face to put out such a product. One of the biggest challenges in engineering is data security. Implementing a poor data security for Bluetooth can cause a huge risk to someone's information and privacy. Bluetooth is generally used with products or services that use small amounts of data, but if there is a large amount of data, it will transmit it at a slow rate. Currently, Bluetooth is not a substitute for Wi-Fi or USB data transmitting. On a mobile device, Bluetooth can drain batteries when it is enabled because it constantly scans for nearby devices. This was a major challenge for mobile phone companies, and it has been improved over the years. Bluetooth has improved a lot over the years, and companies keep finding ways to use it to its full potential. It is a very inexpensive technology, and new companies use it as much as they can to develop innovative products. In today's world, we always have our devices in our hand. Bluetooth has come a long way, and it has been enhancing our wireless world and safety, especially when driving. When implemented properly, Bluetooth can consume very little power on a mobile battery. This gives many products an extra feature of Bluetooth at a low cost. It also has a very low interference by using frequency hopping. It can spread signals in environments with changing frequencies.
Hello audience, my name is Ephraim Johannes Mason, and I'm here to go over some of the resources available to learn more about Bluetooth technology. These are 4 helpful resources to increase your knowledge of Bluetooth technology. In the next few slides, we will briefly cover some of the materials that each of these resources provide. The Bluetooth Special Interest Group website contains a large selection of material to help users develop a rich understanding of Bluetooth technologies. To name a few, you can find specification lists and testing tools, study guides, webinars and training videos, case studies and white papers, as well as major solution areas and new use cases. Bluetooth SIG has created a platform that has everything you need to develop your first project with Bluetooth. Novel Bits offers several options to continue your Bluetooth education. They provide a free course access via email, which includes a 7 lessons in 7 days crash course, a free downloadable version of Intro to Bluetooth Low Energy, authored by the founder of Novel Bits, a paid subscription to a Bluetooth Developers Academy, and a Bluetooth Developer video series on YouTube. NovelBits also provides access to its archive of the most recent blog posts and free tutorials directly from the site. SparkFun created a free Bluetooth Basics tutorial consisting of high-level and easy-to-follow lessons on master-slave models used for Piconets, Bluetooth addresses and names, the Bluetooth connection process, bonding and pairing, and how Bluetooth profiles define what kind of data is being transmitted. SparkFun also includes links to several other sources to further develop your understanding of Bluetooth technology. The last resource we would like to provide you with is Silicon Labs. The Silicon Labs Learning Center consists of a curriculum of videos from beginner to intermediate levels of knowledge, recorded webinars, white papers, real-world applications of Bluetooth solutions, blogs, and tech talks. Silicon Labs even allows you to download their software development kit with pre-compiled demos, application notes, and examples.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabrielle White and I will be discussing Bluetooth issues in engineering professions and the ethical issues related. The advantages of Bluetooth technology in both engineering and general professions is substantial. The utilization of Bluetooth technology allows businesses and consumers to increase their efficiency, productivity, and efficacy as it has multiple application uses, whether it be in engineering, healthcare, personal use, and so much more. The use of hands-free technology allows workers to avoid safety hazards by cutting down on the use of wires. Having a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, headset, and much more can optimize desk space and stress. The use of Bluetooth-enabled devices provide consumers with the ability to connect to different mediums wirelessly, improving teleconferencing communication. Bluetooth technology also provides consumers with the potential to automate multiple electronics at once. For example, a company might combine the use of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to automate their office's security devices even when they are off location. Although Bluetooth technology is very beneficial to its consumers, there are still certain disadvantages to be noted. When enabled, Bluetooth continually scans for signals looking for new devices to connect with. This can affect a device's battery, which can have a negative effect for its consumer. Like most wireless technologies, Bluetooth has poor security and it's unprotected from malicious hackers. In engineering, this can be extremely dangerous as it leaves private information vulnerable to hackers. Compared to other wireless technologies, Bluetooth also has a slow data transfer rate. The average rate of data transfer between Bluetooth devices is about 3 megabits per second, which is significantly lower than Wi-Fi and USB. Wi-Fi transfers at about 54 megabits per second, whereas USB transfers at about 600 megabytes per second. This can have a huge impact in efficiency. There are also limitations on the distance in which Bluetooth devices can connect. Another disadvantage of Bluetooth can be the interference of Bluetooth devices with other wireless devices on the same 2.4 GHz radio band. This can be problematic for bigger office environments as they typically have a higher number of wireless devices. Ethical issues with Bluetooth. Bluetooth, like most wireless technologies, is not protected from predatory hackers. There are three main types of Bluetooth-based attacks. They differ depending on their tactics and the severity of damage they can cause. Bluejacking is the least harmless out of the three types of Bluetooth-based attacks. It usually involves sending unsolicited and often anonymous messages within a certain range to devices whose Bluetooth is enabled. This form of attack usually does not cause as much damage as other attacks, since it does not allow the hacker to read or write to a user's device files. Bluesnarfing refers to an attack that uses a phone's Bluetooth connection to steal information stored in the device. Hackers can gain access to a device from up to 300 feet. These attacks can obtain personal contact information, emails, calendar entries, passwords, photos, and other information without the device owner's knowledge. The third kind of attack is bluebugging. Bluebugging refers to the most malicious type of Bluetooth hacking that allows a hacker to gain full access and control of a user's device through a backdoor on the system. This kind of attack can be used to spy on the victim by listening, intercepting, or rerouting phone conversations and communication. During a bluebugging attack, a hacker can read SMS messages and reply to them. They can make calls and gain access to online accounts or apps without alerting the device owner. Although Bluetooth has improved the speeds in which it transmits data, the technology is still not considered a substitute for faster tech such as Wi-Fi and USB. The distance range for data transmission depends on the type of class that the device is classified. Class 1 usually consists of laptops and desktops and averages to about 328 feet for distance range. Class 2, usually headsets and mobile phones, averages to about 33 feet for its distance range. Class 3, which are all other small devices, average lower than 33 feet for its distance range. Interference complications at the edges of the 2.4 GHz and neighboring LTE bands are detected and automatically prevented with Bluetooth 5. What are some applications of Bluetooth that you use in everyday life? What are some of the ethical issues surrounding Bluetooth-enabled devices? Should Bluetooth be considered a substitution for Wi-Fi and USB? What are some of the challenges of using Bluetooth devices? What applications does Bluetooth have outside the engineering profession?